Hi everyone, welcome to Lab Analysis 101. Today we are demonstrating sieve tests. In our lab, we conduct sieve tests to assess particle size distribution, enhancing process efficiency, and to determine the functional properties. This process involves arranging sieves from largest to smallest mesh size, weighing a sample and placing it on the top sieve, using a sieve shaker to agitate the stack for a set time, recording the weight retained on each sieve, calculating the percentage of the total sample weight on each sieve. This analysis confirms that the product meets required standards and specifications. We hope you enjoyed our Lab Analysis 101 series. Please follow us on all our social media platforms and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till next time.